Welcome to day 22 of my podcast on Earth sustainability. Today I'd like to discuss burping cows. Now, cows, you may have heard, are accused of being a contributor towards climate change. Now, it's well known although there is claims that is much higher, science believes that modern agriculture creates 30% of the greenhouse gases on the planet. One of the major causes of this is cattle. Now, with cattle, what happens is with their forestomachs and their digestive process of the grass that they eat, they constantly burp out methane gas, which is quite a intense greenhouse gas. It only needs to be in very small portions in the atmosphere to create a greenhouse effect. Now, the solution to this going forward, there's been some research where seaweed has been added to grass that the cows take in, and it's actually around being able to affect cows in such a way that they aren't continually burping out methane gas through the day. Obviously, the other option to this is eating less beef as well, and some people might choose to go vegetarian or vegan. Others might choose to go less greenhouse creating animals such as pigs and chickens going forward. So research is continually under the way. They're also been able to create beef through a laboratory, although like anything that is new, the cost is much higher at the moment, but as time goes on, I'm sure that cost will come down. So it's very important in the future that this is something that we do address, particularly if modern agriculture is causing 30% of the greenhouse gas increase on our planet. I'm sure with innovation and creativity, government investment and private enterprise investment, and just individual ingenuity, I'm sure as time goes on this will abate. However, we do need to start acting now, because if it is 30% of the cause, then it needs to be addressed right now, not in the future.